said a locus is a set of points that meet given conditions. Our first example says all the points in the plane that are 4 units from 3, 5. That means the ordered pair, 3, 5. So it's a point on the coordinate plane that is where? Where? Right, but I meant where's 3, 5? The point on the plane 3, 5. Where is that? How do I get to it? What's that? Go right 3 and up 5. Okay? So tough here. We're trying to work around the exploding projector. Right 3 and up 5 is going to be right in that area there. Do you agree with that? Okay. And it said all the points that are 4 units from that. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's 4 units from it, right? Where else are we 4 units away? Where? Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we 4 units away anywhere else in this group? Yeah, where? Up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You guys, anywhere else? Left 4 to -1, you said? Okay. I agree. So there, we got them all? There's more? What is this? What is it?
It'll be a circle.
It'll be a circle, won't it? We're describing a circle with a radius of 4. And whose center is 3. And so we're talking about this. Okay? Can't quite make that big enough. Anyway, so that's what this locus is. The locus described by that situation is simply a circle. Okay? Some of them are that easy. Some of them are a little harder to think about. The next example is going to be just a little bit different to think about. All the points in a plane that are 3 units from segment AB. If A is 1, 4 and B is 2, 4. Sorry. B is -2, 4. Let me pause while I correct that. Okay. I'd like you to talk about this for just a moment in your group. Think about what it might look like. Then we'll come back together and get some thoughts from one person in each group or until we figure out exactly what's going on. Okay? So take 2 minutes here and talk about what this might look like. Okay. What do you think, Jay? What do you think this is going to look like? An oval? Okay. A racetrack, maybe? Something like that, I would agree. So what we're saying is all the points, we said 3, right?
Yeah.
3 units away. So that would be from this line 1, 2, 3. There'd be a point there, be a point there, point there, point there. Those are all 3 units away, right? Oops, I went too far, sorry. Let's do that again. So we had a point here, 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 and here. And 3 up, 3 up, 3 up, 3 up. So do those points cover everything up there and down there, below and above? No? I heard some yups, but I also heard a no. Why do you say no?
Because it's like limited of like infinity.
Oh, there's infinite amount of points, not just those 4. So what do I draw then to represent those? a line segment here. Okay, I would agree with that. My line's a little bit off. Okay? Now you said an oval, so why are you saying an oval, Jay?
Because it's like the element.
I don't know what you mean by that. An oval kind of looks like this, right? Okay. Just make sure you and I were thinking the same. Just a second, Justin. Why would we say an oval? Justin, you want to tag in and try to help him? 3 points left of B. 1, 2, 3. And 3 points right of A. Okay, I agree with that. Okay, we just did one that said 4 units away from a point. What was that shape? A circle, right? So what we're saying, and the reason that I have my compass out here, what we're saying is every... come on, don't be doing that. Everything here I kind of missed my mark a little bit, but you got the idea what we're trying to do. Everything there is 3 units away from A and B, aren't they? Okay? And so, looks a little better. That looks a little better. Yeah. So it looks something like that. Okay? Alright, so in a locus, and describing a locus, we might get some crazy looking things. These are kind of a couple of the more tamer ones. Okay? It's not a super big deal, but when we're done here today, I want us to understand what a locus is. On the exam, there will be one question that talks about locus. And so I want to make sure you can understand the basic of what is a locus and know how to answer a basic question on it. I'm not saying there aren't some descriptions of locus that we may not fully catch today, but not because we don't understand the concept, simply because we're not used to thinking that way out of our typical box, and we may not come up with the idea. Once the idea is shown to us, we'd say, oh, yeah, obviously, that makes sense. Okay? All right, let me pause while I look at the assignment. So what I want you to do is do the best you can in your group. You get 1 through 17 done. Don't be afraid to do them one at a time together and talk about them and go from there. Please don't just shout out what it is, but make each other think about it a little bit. And maybe give clues. If you see it right away, give hints to what you see. Okay?